How to listen to Pandora offline. If you're a Pandora fan, you know how awesome it is to listen to music on the go. But if what if you're in a place with no Wi-Fi or mobile data? Well, today I'm going to show you how to listen to Pandora offline. First things first, open the Pandora app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, to listen offline, you need a Pandora Plus or Pandora Premium subscription. Unfortunately, the free version of Pandora doesn't support offline listening. So, if you have a Plus or Premium subscription, you're all set. Once you've got the right subscription, here's how to download music for offline listening. Go to the station, playlist, or album that you want to listen to offline. It could be one you've created already or one you've discovering. Next, tap on the three dot menu and click on download. Once your music is downloaded, you can access it by going to the My Collection tab in the Pandora app. From there, you can simply tap on downloads and you'll see all the music you've saved for offline listening. And that's how you listen to the Pandora offline.